Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Project PMYP. This is a series of current affairs starting from 1st of April 2022 to 15th April 2023. This series is going to be very important for all those preparing for UPSC and UPPCS and other state examinations of Uttar Pradesh. So after following this series, I can assure you that you will be able to solve 80 to 85% of questions of current affairs coming in UPPCS going to be held on 14th of February. So already 8 to 9 videos आ चुके हैं. You can check that in playlist. इसके आगे कंटिन्यू करते हैं. न्यूज इन शॉर्ट. मणिपुर होस्ट B20 कॉन्फ्रेंस. ये G20 के अंदर हुआ था रिसेंटली. मणिपुर होस्ट द फर्स्ट ऑफ 4 B20 सेशंस शेड्यूल्ड इन नॉर्थ, which is official G20 dialogue forum of global business community. About B20 held on 17 to 19 February 2023, held in Imphal, Manipur. The Business 20 or B20 is a group that represents private sector within the G20. Then comes Vycom Satyagrah. As per 2024 marks the centenary of Vycom Satyagrah. Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan and Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin jointly inaugurated the centenary celebrations during the function held at Vycom on April 1, 2023. Vycom Satyagraha was a non-violent protest that took place from 30th March 1924 to 23rd November 1925. इसके 100 years पूरे हो चुके हैं, तो it will be the most important question. ठीक है. EVS drama Sami Naikar Periyar started the self-respect movement. ठीक है. Hornbill Festival Nagaland held on 1 to 10 December 2022, held at Naga Heritage Village, Kisama, Kohima. Organized by State Tourism and Art and Culture Departments of Government of Nagaland, Ladakh sets Guinness World Record for Pangong Frozen Lake Marathon. Recently, the exotic Pangong Frozen Lake Marathon is officially registered in the Guinness Book of World Records as the world's highest frozen lake half marathon, setting a new achievement for Union Territory of Ladakh. About Pangong Frozen Lake, held in February 2023 marathon, held in Ladakh, organized by LAHDC Leh in collaboration with Adventurous Sport Foundation of Ladakh. Next is NTPC ranked as the top independent power producers and energy traders globally. Top independent power producers में NTPC का rank है. NTPC Limited, the country's largest power generating company, has been ranked number 1 independent power producers and energy traders globally in S&P Global Commodity Insights top 250 global energy company ranking. Top 250 companies में NTPC का rank 1 है. North India's first nuclear plant. North India का पहला nuclear plant. In a bid to increase India's nuclear capacity, bulk approval of installation of 10 nuclear reactors has been given in North by central government. It will be North India's first nuclear plant and will be installed in Gorakhpur, Haryana. UP वाला गोरखपुर नहीं है, it is Gorakhpur, Haryana. Call before you dig app. On March 22nd, 2023, 22nd March को कौन सा डे पड़ता है? Waters Day. The Prime Minister of India has inaugurated the new International Telecom Union Area Office and Innovation Center in New Delhi. He also launched the Call Before You Dig app. It will serve India, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Maldives, Afghanistan and Iran, enhancing coordination among nations and fostering mutual beneficial economic cooperation in the region. कौन-कौन सी countries हैं? इंडिया, नेपाल, भूटान, बांग्लादेश, श्रीलंका, मालदीव्स, अफगानिस्तान, ईरान. बॉर्डरिंग नेशन पाकिस्तान नहीं है, चाइना नहीं है, और कौन कौन है? मालदीव्स एंड ईरान है. Call Before You Dig app is a tool envisaged for preventing damage to underlying assets like optical fiber, cables, etc. Basoli painting and GI tag. On March 31, 2023, the world famous Basoli painting from Kathua district in Jammu Kashmir has obtained geographical indication tag. It is a painting from Jammu Kashmir, Kathua district, Basoli painting. This is the first time that Jammu Kashmir region got a GI tag for handicraft. Swami Fund. Recently, special window for affordable and mid-income housing fund completes 20,557 homes since its inception in 2019. 20,000 प्लस घर बन चुके हैं इन स्पेशल विंडो फॉर अफोर्डेबल एंड मिड इनकम हाउसिंग. द फंड इज sponsored by Ministry of Finance, Government of India, and is managed by SBI Cap Ventures Limited by a State Bank Group company. Nalco Bark releases India's first bauxite CRM. National Aluminium Company Authority, the Navratna CPSE under Ministry of Mines, has successfully developed bauxite certified reference material CRM, naming as Bark B1201. तो ये पूछ सकता है कि what is Bark B1201? It is bauxite certified reference material. Next, Himalayan yak accepted as food animal by FSSAI. In November 2022, the Himalayan yak has been accepted as food animal by FSSAI. ठीक है. Next, Ernakulam become first district in Kerala to register 10,000 new MSME. Ernakulam में 10,000 new MSME register हुए हैं. Ernakulam, Kerala has become the first district to register 10,000 new MSME. Almost in sync with the state, it crossed the target of 1 lakh new units under the Year Enterprise Campaign 2022. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Vastu Sangrahalaya. On November 26, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Vastu Sangrahalaya was conferred with the Award of Excellence. इसको मिला है Award of Excellence at United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization Asia Pacific Awards for Cultural Heritage Conservation. The first ever India Stack Developer Conference. India Stack Developer Conference पहली बार कहाँ पे हुआ? न्यू दिल्ली में by MIT Ministry. The event was participated by 100 plus digital leaders from industry association, industry system integrators and startups, mainly at CXO MD founder level. What is India Stack? India Stack is a moniker for a set of open APIs, application program interfaces and digital public goods. It aims to unlock the economic primitive identity and payments at population scale. CEO conference for 100 smart cities in Panaji, Goa. Goa. Recently on January 23-24, the Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant, inaugurated a Smart Cities CEO conference on data and tech in Panaji, Goa, organized by Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs in coordination with Imagine Panaji Smart City Development Limited. कहाँ पे हुआ है? गोवा में हुआ है 100 Smart City Conference का CEOs का. Kollam, India's first constitution literate district. Kollam, India's first constitution literate district. In January 2023, Kollam, Kerala became the first constitution literate district in country. Around 16.3 lakh people in district above the age of 10 have been educated in various aspects of constitution. 10 साल से ऊपर के लोगों को it is around 16.3 lakh people जो जिन लोगों को एजुकेशन प्रोवाइड किया गया है in various aspects of constitution. The feat was achieved by educating families on basic principle of constitution, the citizens part, a constitution literacy campaign. कौन सा डिस्ट्रिक्ट है? कोल्लम डिस्ट्रिक्ट. किस चीज पे जानकारी दी गई है? द सिटीजन पार्ट पे पार्ट 2. Rajasthan, the first state to implement blindness control policy. In January 2023, Rajasthan has become the first state to implement the policy to control blindness with the objective of ensuring right to sight. As per state government's medical and health department, the prevalence rate of blindness, which was 1.1 in 2022, will be brought down to 0.3% through the policy. पहला स्टेट कौन सा है जो ब्लाइंडनेस कंट्रोल पॉलिसी लाया है? इट इज राजस्थान. कौन सा डिस्ट्रिक्ट बन गया है 100% कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल लिटरेट डिस्ट्रिक्ट? दिस इज कोल्लम, केरला. India's first center of excellence in online gaming. Recently, MIT and Skill Development Entrepreneurship has announced a digital startup hub through the Software Technological Parks of India shall set up India's first center of excellence in online gaming at Shillong, Meghalaya by March 2023. पहला सेंटर कहाँ बनेगा? It will be in Meghalaya's Shillong. Next, Captive Employments Initiative. Recently, Union Minister for Rural Development Shri Giriraj Singh onboarded 19 captive employers. It is a unique initiative under Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gramin Kaushal Yojana. Captive employers will train rural poor youth and provide employment to train youth in their company or subsidiary. ठीक है, 19 captive employers by Rural Development Minister Shri Giriraj Singh. Yaoshang Festival, 5 day long Yaoshang Festival, मणिपुर वर्जन ऑफ होली. ठीक है, तो यायोशांग कहाँ मनाया जाता है? मणिपुर में. इट इज a version of Holi has begun on 7th of March 2023. The festival is being celebrated on the year of full moon of Lamta, that is February-March of the Meitei lunar calendar. Thabal Chongba is a traditional dance of Meitei where the boys and girls gathered in an open ground dance in a circle. डांस का क्या नाम है? थाबाल चोंगबा. कहाँ का है ये? मणिपुर का. फेस्टिवल का क्या नाम है? यायोशांग फेस्टिवल. Civil 20 India 2023 Inception Conference held on March 2021-2023 held in Nagpur, Maharashtra. The theme of first plenary session was Balancing Development with Environment. Balancing Development with Environment. Civil 20. C20 India 2023 is one of the official engagement groups of G20 that provides a platform for civil society organization around the world to voice people aspiration to the world's leader in G20. C20 will strive towards the realization of India C20 motto, you are the light. मोटो क्या है? C20 का क्या मोटो है? You are the light. G20 का क्या मोटो है? वासुदेव कुटुंबकम. C20 कहाँ पे हुआ? नागपुर महाराष्ट्र में. B20 कहाँ पे हुआ? अभी हमने ऊपर पढ़ा है. It was held in मेघालय. Just a second. Okay. It was held in Manipur, not Meghalaya. B20 was held in Manipur. Next. C20 कहाँ पे हो रहा है आपका? नागपुर. मातुआ महामेला 2023 organized in March 2023, organized by All India Matua Mahasangh, organized at Shri Dham Thakur Nagar, Thakurbari in North 24 Parganas of West Bengal. Organized to celebrate the 212th birth anniversary of Sri Hari Chand Thakur Ji, who was the founder of Matua sect. Global Millets Sri Amma Conference. Sri Anna Conference recently, March 18-19, 2023, Prime Minister of India inaugurated Global Millets Sri Anna Conference at Subramaniam Hall, NSSC Hall Complex, IARI Campus, पूसा, न्यू दिल्ली. पहले ये पूसा कहाँ पे था? पटना बिहार में था, अब न्यू दिल्ली में है. The Prime Minister declared the Indian Institute of Millets Research ICAR at Global Center of Excellence. International Year of Millets है आपका 2023 and it is declared by UNGA. ठीक है. IIMR is headquartered at Hyderabad, Telangana. Next. Yuva Utsav India at the rate 2047 on March 4, 2023. Union Minister of Youth Affairs and Sport, the Information and Broadcasting Shri Anurag Singh Thakur has launched Yuva Utsav India at the rate 2047 from Ropar, Punjab. The Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports through its premier youth organization Nehru Yuva Kendra Sangathan is organizing Yuva Utsav India at the rate 2047 program in all districts across the country. World's first 200-meter long bamboo crash barrier Bahubali on March 4, 2023, an extraordinary accomplishment towards the achievement of Atmanirbhar Bharat has been made with the development of world's first 200-meter bamboo crash barrier. It was been installed on the Vani Varora Highway, Maharashtra. This bamboo crash barrier has been christened by Bahubali, underwent rigorous testing and various government-run institutions such as National Automotive Test Tracks in Pithampur, Indore. Next, 7th International Dharma Dhamma Conference President Srimati Draupadi Murmu inaugurated 7th International Dharma Dhamma Conference on 3rd of March 2023. It was organized by Indian Foundation in collaboration with Sanchi University of Buddhist Indic Studies in Bhopal. CIS application launched on June 2022, developed by National Commission for Protection of Child Rights CISS. Child Rights की प्रोटेक्शन के लिए एप्लीकेशन है. ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है? चाइल्ड इन स्ट्रीट सिचुएशन का रिहेबिलिटेशन कराना. चिल्ड्रन इन स्ट्रीट सिचुएशन का रिहेबिलिटेशन कराना. पोर्टल इज लॉन्च्ड अंडर बाल स्वराज पोर्टल. बाल स्वराज इज ए पोर्टल लॉन्च्ड बाय NCPCR for online tracking and digital real-time monitoring mechanism of children in need of care. This application is used for receiving data of children in street situation from all the states and union territories. Kerala became first state to introduce carbon neutral farming. Kerala government has budgeted the 6 crores in 2022-23 financial year to implement carbon neutral agricultural practices and is selected in places in state. This will make Kerala first state in country to introduce carbon neutral farming. Which state have introduced carbon neutral farming? It is Kerala. किस fiscal year में? 2022-23. बजट क्या है? 6 crores. Amrit Bharat Station Scheme launched on 27 December 2022 by Ministry of Railways. It is based on master planning for long term and implementation of elements of master plan as per needs and patronage of station. Under the scheme, attempts are being made to develop passengers amenities by clubbing different type of waiting halls and to provide good cafeteria and retail facilities as far as possible. Amrit Bharat Station Scheme. Next is Supreme Court judgment on EWS reservation. 7th November 2022. Janhit Abhiyan versus Union of India 2019 case upheld the validity of 103rd Constitutional Amendment Act. The amendment introduced 10% reservation in education and government job in India for a section of general category candidates. Reservation based on economic criteria in job and education were proposed to be provided by inserting clause 6 in Article 15 and 16 of Constitution. It was passed by Constitution under Constitution 103 Amendment Act 2019 in Parliament in January 2019. ठीक है. कौन सा केस है? जनहित अभियान वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया. सो आज के लिए इतना रहने देते हैं. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. टिल देन काइंडली सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल एंड हिट द नोटिफिकेशन बटन सो दैट जब भी मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो डालूं इस सीरीज की आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए एंड यू कैन कंप्लीट द सीरीज बिफोर UPPCS गोइंग टू बी हेल्ड ऑन 14th of May 2023. Thank you. Jai Hind.